Brazil is Latin America's biggest economy and was a growth powerhouse in the last decade. But the country had its worst showing in more than 4 years during the third quarter, when GDP contracted 0.5%, more than expected. Government efforts to rekindle growth have failed to overcome deeper problems like stifling bureaucracy, bad infrastructure, and high inflation. Economists say a growing concern is that Brazilians spend too much and invest too little. It's the downside of a decade of government policies that sought to relieve poverty by encouraging consumption more than saving. But Maria Souza dos Santos, who sells açaí juice on the streets of Rio, wonders how anyone can save when food prices at the market rise every month.
This year's more difficult. I've felt it. Everyone here on the street is feeling it, from the person who sews to the one who sells clothing. The end of the year is arriving, and we're seeing that people really aren't consuming.
Finance Minister Guido Mantega struck a more upbeat note, saying Tuesday that the economy is on a trajectory of gradual growth that should continue over the next quarters. Economists say the proof will be in the pudding. One projection shows Brazil's GDP likely to expand by only 1.7% in 2014. That's a far cry from the 7.5% growth rate Brazil clocked in 2010, when it was a star among emerging markets. For the Wall Street Journal, this is Kiernan in Rio de Janeiro.